Today we're going to talk about channel keywords. Do you know what they are? Do you know where they are on YouTube, how to find them, what to put in there for channel keywords? If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I highly suggest that you watch the following video because it could be making or breaking your channel as we speak, and it starts right now. So whenever you're trying to grow a YouTube channel, whether it's from scratch or whether it's something you've been working on for a while, you never want to leave anything to chance. Ultimately, it comes down to your talents as both a personal trainer or whatever subject your channel is about, and your ability to create good content. But in addition to that, there's so many things within YouTube that the algorithm depends on in order to put your video in front of the right people. One of those things is channel keywords. So that's what we're going to look at today. It's a little quick fix. You'd be surprised how many accounts I've audited and found out that they had no channel keywords. So let's look at it right now. So in order to find channel keywords, basically you want to go www.youtube.com/advanced. Hope I spelled it right. Advanced_settings. So this takes us into the advanced settings. Channel keywords is right here. And for the purpose of this video, I actually got rid of all mine. So right now, all I've got in there is personal trainer. But before we even go any farther, channel keywords are what the algorithm basically depends on in order to put your videos in front of the right audience. They need to know what you're about. So for my channel, Trainer Hub, it's a workout channel. So what sort of things are people searching for? Full length workouts, yoga, HIIT workouts, total body workouts, at home workouts, those kind of things are all searchable phrases on YouTube, which we've discussed in other videos. Those need to be in there into your channel keywords. It's something that should be filled out at the onset of starting a channel, because if your videos, if the YouTube algorithm doesn't understand what your channel's about based on your channel keywords, it doesn't know who to present your videos to. So it's kind of guessing, and what that does is it puts your videos in front of the wrong people, which means that your actual click-through rates will be lower and your view time will be lower. So again, you go into the advanced settings and you fill these out much the same as you'd fill out tags in your individual videos. So for this purpose here, I've got personal trainer, fitness, workout video, full length workouts, weight loss workout. And you can throw a few things in, like kettlebell workout, dumbbell workout. I'll leave it at that for now. So those are the things that basically give not just the description of each individual video, but your channel itself, so that when somebody's looking up these things, it's a much higher chance that your channel is going to show up for that person and give them the ability to click on it and subscribe. So it's a quick fix. It's easy to find. I'll also, in the description below, there's going to be, I'll have basically where to go and how to find it and stuff. So make that change. And while we're at it, because of I know it's on this page, channel recommendations is actually farther down in the timeline, and always double check and make sure, because this is another thing that I found when auditing channels that isn't checked off. Channel recommendations, allow my channel to appear in other channels' recommendations. If by chance that is clicked on no, do not allow, your channel is not showing up in recommended videos, which is disaster for getting subscribers and views. You want your videos showing up in other people's recommended videos. So while you're adding your channel keywords or checking or updating your channel keywords, make sure you scroll down and make sure that's checked. So that's all for today. Quick and to the point, guys. Check those settings and let me know in the comments below if yours weren't set properly, because I would love to know how many of you actually didn't have that set right. All right, take care, have a good one. We will talk to you soon.